Hey guys, this is Matt here, and today we are going to draw an optical illusion. Make sure to subscribe, like and share this video. First we are going to draw a triangle, then draw a line at the edges, corners. Then you need to draw 3 parallel lines across those edges, or one edge to the other edge. And here, as you can see, it's a speed up process with tutorial. I can say it is not 100% tutorial. Well, it is because of I'm going to speed up some things that you might know. So yeah, shading process, I'm going to speed that up, and you're only going to see the final result of it, of this drawing. As you can see right now, I struggle too much to talk. That's why I don't talk. Yeah, this is the only reason why I don't talk in my videos. It is because that I struggle and it is too loud in my house or in the living room. Well, I could have done all of this in my room, but we are going to move soon. That's why I have packed my room, so I don't have any desk there, so I need to go to the living room and make this video. Now I just want to say thank you guys for supporting me at this YouTube channel, and see you.